Hey everybody, happy Friday to you. Thought I'd do just a little bench update on the anime girl that I'm putting together. Got the skin painted, got her swim top and bottoms painted. I got to touch up this arm over here and then do her shoes and then her head. There's that. Also got my first 3D printed engine. Here's the transmission. It's 3D printed. And here's my engine. I don't know what I'm going to put it in yet, but I'm just going to hang on to it until I figure out what I'm going to put it in. And we got a new kit to look at. This is the MPC 125th scale 67 GTO Weekend Warrior. Build one of three ways: street, warrior, or drag. There's that. There's this side. Comes with the Christmas tree. Drag racing Christmas tree. Drag slicks. Red line tires. Racing seat. Here's the bottom of the box. From round 2 models. I don't see a date. Yeah, I don't see a date on it anywhere as to what year it is. Maybe the instructions will say, but let's have a look. Here's our chrome rims. I assume this is for the drag tree. Here's our front bumper, our rear bumper, our other rims, our stock rims, side pipes, blower, headers, valve covers. Oh, we got pad printed Firestone Drag 500. Look at those. Man, those are nice. And then 4 red line tires. I might have to build the drag version just to use these nice pad printed drag slicks. Those are sharp. Here's our glass, are reds. I'm going to leave those in the package. Just because I don't want them to get wrecked. There's our metal axle. Here's our instructions. Build the engine stock or drag. Our interior can be drag or custom. Our Christmas tree. Not a real fancy, just a lot of contingency. I like that it has the GTO badging. I like that. It's got the staged, pre-staged for the tree. Some nice stripes. A lot of license plate options. Arizona, California, Washington. Looks like Georgia. I can't read the other one. But I like that it has all the GTO badging. That's cool. Alright, there's that. Here's our steering wheel, our headrest, the pin deals for the front suspension. Here's our Christmas tree. Look cool in a diorama. Here's our custom hood with the tack in it. A little bit of flash, nothing too terrible. Here's our dashboard. Here's our rear suspension, exhaust, bucket seats. Here's our stock hood, our firewall, battery, washer jug. I'm going to assume that might be what that is. Our pins for the front wheels. Here's our stock exhaust, our engine. Heads, oil pan, our drag seats, our transmission, radiator, roll cage, and the inserts for the grill. Excuse me. Cow, that was a yawn. Here's our interior tub. Got the seat belts molded in the back. That's cool. Here's our chassis. Pretty plain Jane. And here's our GTO body. Which is very clean. Doesn't appear to be warped. Maybe just a tad, not much. So yeah. There we go. Again, I don't know why they put these on here when there's nowhere for them to go inside the body. Don't understand that. I mean, I get that it was once a sprue bottom. So yeah, I definitely think I'm going to build a drag version. So there we go, guys. That's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe and smash that like button. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye.